Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So today is a huge release day. I don't know if you're noticing, but like things like GBP optimization and all kinds of awesome Ask AI stuff, tons of great releases. And here is another one. High Level is now releasing its own MCP server into general availability. So this is huge. So now, first up, if you don't know what an MCP server is, it's Model Context Protocol. This is a little techie. So like I went out and Googled this, like just like search like what is MCP, but you can sort of see that what it is. And basically, it's this idea of everything that's making AI agents work together. And so, for those of you who are using MCP, this will be you'll understand all of this. For those of you who don't yet know what it is, go out and find an article like this and read it. But today, what's important for us is that we're launching our own MCP server. So you can now use MCP clients that support HTTP like Cursor or Windsurf or OpenAI Playground, and you can actually integrate it with High Level. So MCP is a protocol basically for securely enabling AI agents and copilots to access Go High Level or High Level tools like calendar, contacts, payments, etc. All the data inside High Level, right? And agents can then query and write data with standardized interfaces. So basically, this is a standard, if you will. So the top 21 tools here, you can sort of see them. They're over here on my right. But there's going to be a lot of documentation, so you're going to want to look at that. But what is included here? So you have a production MCP server hosted at services.leadconnectorhq.com/MCP. You have the ability to come in here and securely log in, get your token, and do a bunch of great stuff, and start building out your own AI agents. So this is awesome. There's a great video here. I'm trying to see if it's worth. Sometimes these videos are easy to kind of flow with. Sometimes they're not. But what you can kind of see in front of me here is this is the OpenAI Agent Studio, and this is sort of playground, and this is the team actually connecting in to High Level and actually using some of the data here, and you can see very easily how this works. So basically, let me see if I can find that pop up again. Basically, you can see right here when you have the High Level connected, you can see all the different endpoints that you can hit, and then as you go in and you're actually building out your agents, you can actually do this. So like in my contacts, see if there's a person named Clark Kent. If yes, change his name to Superman. So what you could see here is that it actually now using this playground, it's going in, it's actually processing this ChatGPT request essentially, or using ChatGPT to go in, find if there's somebody using Clark Kent, and then change the name. And you can see very quickly in front of you how it's actually accessing High Level's data here. So it's doing a get contact, an update contact, and then also it says, as I see, and also drop him a message saying, I'm coming for you. Send a new message, right? So and then it'll actually tell you what it's doing. This is the power of MCP. So you're using ChatGPT basically to conversate with all the data around and take action inside the actual CRM system or inside the data inside High Level. So this is kind of a huge thing. So anyways, I will not bemoan you to go through this whole video, but I will try to drop a link to it for those of you who are interested. But this is a massive update in my opinion. Great job to the team for making this happen. I know they've been testing it behind the scenes now for the last couple of months. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.